Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Trak Cnc / vertical lathe, model 2460V, serial number 054CE14008. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Trak VL control. You have constant surface speed. Right now he's moving the carriage with the joystick. You also have digital hand wheels for both axes. Spindle is from 40 up to 1800 RPM. You have 24-inch swing by 60-inch centers, 14.5-inch swing over the cross slide. The axes are quiet. And the spindle is quiet.
In the high range right now.
It's in the high range. We're going up. 500 RPM. You have a nice sized chuck, 15 3/4 3-jaw chuck on there. What's that RPM at now? That's 1,000 RPM. Waves are in nice condition. Bringing in a low gear. Obviously the machine's got an enclosure too. You have a steady rest, live center. Low is 100 RPM. 250. 400 RPM. TAILSTOCK. TAILSTOCK's number 5 Morse taper. 2-speed. Hey, thank you for watching our video.